Come on in, we're gonna take a look at this apartment for rent. It's a 3-bedroom in Lincoln Park, DePaul area. Here's the living room right when we walk in. There's decorative fireplace, hardwood floors. There's a nice brick wall here. Come on in, we've got a couple of hall closets. And we have a kitchen over here. This is the kitchen. It's got a dishwasher, refrigerator. There's a porch out there. We'll come look at that here in a second. Here's bedroom 1. They're pretty good sized bedrooms. There's a closet there, nice window. Okay, let's keep going down the hallway here. Here's the bathroom. There's one bath in this unit. There's the shower. There's a window. Okay, this is bedroom 2. This is a large bedroom. Plenty of room for a king-size bed. There's a kind of a smaller walk-in closet there. But again, this is a big bedroom with a bay window. Come on over and we'll look at bedroom 3. This one's a little smaller, but still big enough to have a queen-size bed right here. Closet over there in the corner. And let's go back out and we'll look at the porch, and that'll be the end of our tour. Back out here to the kitchen. Furnace is in there too. And this is the kitchen. There's room for a table right there. And here's the back porch. And there's the back porch. There. And this is where you could be sitting, right here. Right here, apartment on Oakdale Street. Have a great day.